How to get the most out of your affiliate marketing program. Affiliate marketing takes advanced planning to be successful. Make sure you read the fine print in any agreement you may make. There are some other things to consider, in an effort to be a success. Please take the time to read the video below to help you in your endeavors. Make sure you pick products that you are familiar and comfortable with. You want to pick something that you know you can advertise well to maximize the amount of potential profit available to you. You don't want to get stuck trying to promote products you have little or no information about. Make sure you understand what you are getting into before you make a site. There usually isn't a big commitment when it comes to affiliate marketing, but make sure you always read all fine print. You want to make sure you know the expectations of your affiliates with you and whether or not you can meet those expectations before you proceed. Place keywords in website content. By doing this, the search engines will recognize that your site is probably related to certain keywords and rank the site accordingly. But take care to do this naturally. Abnormal keyword stuffing seems unnatural and unreadable to some. Just use the keywords in a conversational way. To address your audience directly, you should take time to get to know them and understand their problems. Once you have identified their main concerns, you can propose a solution that includes buying the products you want to sell. Remain genuine and honest in addressing these issues that are important to your audience. These tips, hopefully, have given you some helpful ideas in regard to affiliate marketing. Put these into practice. Invest the time necessary to carefully consider any agreements you may make. And, plan for success. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.